Is this an MLM or a network marketing business? Well, I'm glad you asked, because if you ask these questions, that means you understand a bit about this business model. So let's clear up this misconception that I hear and I get asked, right? So the answer is no, it's not an MLM thing. It's kind of a network business, but let me explain you why. Hey, I'm Dana, and I mentor parents and professionals who want to build a scalable online business that actually fits into their lives. So, let me explain why MLM and our business models are very different, or how they are different. So, here is how. In MLMs, you usually have to pay to play. You buy a starter kit, and then you have to have some monthly sales quotas that you have to reach in order to stay active. With this business model, it's a one-time investment, it's your business, there is no inventory, there is no monthly quotas. You don't need any minimum monthly sales to stay a business owner. It's your business even if you are not active for years. Now, second, in MLM, you are pressured to be the brand, to constantly buy more products yourself, sell it to others. Here in this business, you can create passive income that will pay you over and over again. The system is digital, automated, nothing for you to stock products or push, and you decide the strategy if you want to invest more on your business or not. Third, in MLM, your upline often always makes more money than you. In this business model, you are in control. You build your business, and depending on your strategy, you can definitely surpass other people that started before you, your mentor, or even your coach. It depends on your journey and your strategy. Now, the fourth one, with MLM, you depend more on other people than yourself to succeed. With our system, you succeed by learning these proven marketing skills, and you plug into the automation. You can build a team that will help you, but it's not the only way you can accelerate your business. You are in control, you decide. And most importantly, in MLMs, you are told you are the boss, right? But really, you have no say. Here, you are truly your own boss. You set the schedule, you don't work for anyone else. It's your own business. You decide the strategy and how you run it. So, if you are avoiding online businesses because you thought this is MLM, or you are afraid of what a network business is, now you know the difference. And if you are still curious, if you want to learn more, if you see exactly what to do, send me a message. I'll send you a behind-the-scene look at how this system really works, and then you can decide.